Hi, I'm Kay Bailey with Cook Ford in Craig, Colorado, here to show you our 2017 Platinum F-150 today. It is gorgeous red, look at this. Tailgate step in the back. And this is fully loaded. It's a Platinum, it has it all. This one has under 26,000 miles on it. Fold out steps here, they can go up and down at your leisure. Just under 26,000 miles. Has everything inside here. Your locking differential as well, 4 high, 4 low. Trailer backup, trailer brakes. Love the console shifter myself. And we also have your heated and cooled seats. Absolutely wonderful. Nice, deep center console here. Plenty of space in your back seat as well. And check it out, we have heated rear seats. Regular car charger, well, USB car charger there. Regular car charger right up there. And then your wall outlet. All-weather floor mats keep everything nice and clean on such a beautiful truck. Check out these rims. Aren't those neat? Here's a little bit better view of everything here. Maybe the other side. Alright, while we're here checking out that 2017 Platinum, I wanted to show you the auto start feature and the tailgate drop. So we're going to lock it, and auto start button twice. Beautiful sound there, check that out. And then, watch this. Folding. So come see me at Cook Ford in Craig, Colorado. I'd love to get you driving this truck. It's a beauty.